Hi friends, welcome to our channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can create a group in WhatsApp. Please friends, subscribe to our channel, put your likes, and also write your comments after watching this video. So let us get started with you. And open the WhatsApp app in your phone. Next, in order to create a group, at the top in the right-hand corner, click on the plus sign. Next, create group or new group. And now you will need to select the people that you would like to add to your group. And to do that, you can just go down the list and check them off. Or if you have a very large list of friends on WhatsApp, then you can just search, thanks to the search bar, for the name of a particular person. So when you've selected a person, at the top you click on Next. And now you can name your group somehow as you would like. And you could also add a picture to your group. And then click Create. This way, you will create a group, which is a very convenient way to communicate with several people at once, to keep in touch, not to write separately to different people the same information. Friends, this is the simple way you can create a group in WhatsApp. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and see you soon.